Hey guys, this is Bruce and welcome to another IT work jobs that come to my inbox. Before I get started, before we look into my inbox and find a job that I've been have the opportunity of taking, I'd like to let you guys know that I have a course. I've actually got a couple courses out there. One talks about how to make 6 figures doing cybersecurity, and the other one is about how to get into remote work, how to become a IT remote worker, which I've been doing for like the last 4 years. Alright, without further ado, let's dive into my jobs. Daily, I get different job opportunities. And I apologize about stopping doing it. I used to do this like once a week, and I stopped doing it because I had a side gig I was doing on the weekends. But now I'm free, so I'm gonna go ahead and do these again. Let's look for. I've been getting these like pretty consistently to the point where I just ignore them, you know. Okay, here's one. All right, so this is a urgent hire for a bilingual Windows administrator in Ridgefield Park, New Jersey. And they say, "Hi. I hope you are doing well. Please check out below for the job mentioned, description, and let me know if you would be interested in this job." It's a title is a senior bilingual Windows administrator. Location is Ridgefield Park, New Jersey, and the company is Samsung SDS America for 1 year. It says we are looking for a senior bilingual Korean and English. So that's cool that they tell you what the bilingual is right off the bat. Who is this guy? Bilingual Korean and English. SCCM focused Windows administrator. You must be able to read and write and speak Korean. And 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. 다시. Yeah, I know a little bit of Korean. Isn't that weird? Anyway, let me see. Title is so let's look at the responsibilities real quick. And I think I'll do one more because this one's kind of rare. Like nobody's gonna be able to. Not many people are gonna be able to do this one. They want you to be able to provide system administration technical support for Windows Server systems. They want you to be experienced in global Active Directory migration, Federation expert. I believe Federation was where you can merge two enterprises together, like somebody from another network that has another enterprise. You'll be able to network them together or something like that. I don't know. Then experience with SCCM, deployment of Windows, Mac, and Linux is a must. And they say must be able to provide guidance to utilizing Windows operating system. So I guess you're working with like a customer base. Provide guidance and utilization. I already read that. Good troubleshooting techniques for Active Directory, SCCM events, and excellent Windows update, GPO management, PowerShell, batch VB scripting. Okay, and a host of other things. And then they have qualifications. I don't see anything about a degree. They just want you to be able to speak Korean and then have the technical skills to do this work. So that's actually really cool. I guess they figure they're not going to be able to find many people who have a bachelor's degree plus can speak fluent Korean plus is good at Active Directory. So they got to cut some corners. Okay, so that's it for that one. I'm gonna read one more. I want to read one that's a little bit more common here that I've gotten. That one was like 6 a.m. this morning. Got 6 help desk jobs from Monster. And if you go through my course, it'll tell you how you can get all of these different alerts and emails and technical recruiters and constantly bugging you for these different jobs. It's pretty consistent. Like I get these a few daily, and So yeah, if you're looking at my inbox, you can see all of those. Anyway, I'm going to read this next one here, and this one's also kind of, I don't know many people who can do this, but it says job for Java IAM resource in Michigan, Detroit, Michigan. It says, hi, we have the below role with one of our clients. So once again, see, it's a technical recruiter who's looking for somebody for another business. These corporations, they hire technical recruiters to go out and scout and find people with your talent. And that's who those technical recruiters are definitely people who you want to get to know. You want to put your resume out in front of them because they're getting hundreds of different opportunities that they can funnel to you. Okay, anyway, the role is Cloud Identity Resource, and it's in Michigan, and it's duration of 12 months, and it's mainly Java with some IAM exposure. And IAM is Identity and Access Management, not to be confused with Information Assurance Manager. They're two separate things. Anyway, Identity Access Management environment supporting SAML and other authentications. Let's just kind of go skim through the specifications real quick of what they want. And they said Active Directory, LDAP, strong understanding of SAML, OAuth, and other authentication modes. Should have exposure to deployment of code ADF, Java. Exposure to building custom forms, workflows, connector frameworks, and then there's some more information. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take these two jobs that I just talked about, and I'm going to put them in the description below so you can contact these people if you're interested. And stay tuned next week, and I'll talk about more of these jobs that come into my inbox as I do every week. And if you're interested in free courses and other stuff that I put out that's kind of deeper, it kind of deep dives into more of this kind of stuff, more technical stuff, how to get jobs, stuff like that. Some of it's you can purchase, some of it's free. Go check out my site, which I'll put the link right here. And that's it for this week. We'll check you guys out next week. See ya later.